Wonderful Sunday, everyone. Uh, so in the last few days, I did not record um, my day trades, but yeah, I have uh, executed some trades on this pivot. I got this movement successfully to reach this target, but usually, as you said, and I'll explain in a few seconds, uh, when I pretty much believe in a strong movement, I put my order with a profit and also a stop loss in case that I need to do something uh, far from my home or far from my my computer. So, but yeah, I got this movement here, and we reached this target successfully. Anyway, but I just came today, like Sunday, because in my analysis, it was a great opportunity to do a short, and you can see again a precise movement from my side. What I mean is like a great analysis when where I got at the top of the price with this movement. I started this short, and you can see like two more orders that are because I have sorry, why I have this possible two orders here is because on this movement, I pretty much believe in this pivot. However, in this Fibonacci opportunity of price. So I put one order on the 38.2, also another order on 23.6, and usually the movement do something like that. He come, break up as a false movement to get the stop loss for those who has started this short movement and then back down to the for a correction for something like that the stock market want to do whatever he wants to do. But yeah, like fortunately, it got one contract on this beautiful movement, and my target it is on this zone. To be honest, I pretty much believe that he will test minimum the 61.8 because it is it kind of this pivot. But yeah, like this region, it's kind of enough for me. But it was a beautiful analysis, like it studies, uh, understand of the price, the stock market, the Bitcoin. I mean, we must know how to read the market. Doesn't matter like if we want to do a long or if you want to do a short, because if you are a day trader, yeah, you must understand what the market wants to do because even the primary trend is an uptrend, kind of that. We have to understand the market to get opportunities to start a trade, even on a short or even in a long. So this is pretty important. But yeah, that's it, guys, for today. If you found this video helpful, give me your thumbs up, subscribe my channel. To be honest, I really, really, really like to come and share all of the knowledge with you, but I need your help as well. Like just press the like or just subscribe my channel. This helps me a lot. It also will make the algorithms understand this video is helpful and will deliver for others. So this is pretty valuable for me. So yeah, I kind ask you to help me with that. Let's grow up together, and it's more than my pleasure to help with that, to share my knowledge, to share my studies, and yeah, that's it for today. Cool. Thank you very much. Have a lovely Sunday. Bye.